TikTok Shop versus TikTok Affiliate. Are they the same thing or totally different? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down the difference between TikTok Shop and TikTok Affiliate so you can understand how each one works and which one you should be using. Let's start with TikTok Shop. This is for people who want to sell their own products directly on TikTok. You set up a store, list your items, and sell them through live streams or videos. Great if you have your own brand or dropshipping business and want to reach more customers right inside the app. Now let's talk about TikTok Affiliate, also known as TikTok Shop Partner Program. This one's for creators who want to earn money by promoting other people's products. You join the program, pick products to promote, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. No need to stock inventory or handle shipping. So what's the big difference? TikTok Shop equals you're the seller. TikTok Affiliate equals you're the promoter. If you're looking to build your own brand and sell products, go with TikTok Shop. If you're a creator who wants to monetize content by pushing trending products, try TikTok Affiliate. Both can make you money, just in different ways. Let me know in the comments which one you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.